Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today I'm tired and I'm going to be installing a new graphics card in my computer. So it is this one right here. I'm too lazy to grab it. So give me a second and I will be in the kitchen since there's more light. Alright, so here's the computer. It's all apart. You can see right in front, right here, is the old graphics card that's going to be coming out. It is actually very simple to remove. All you got to do is pull these wires out here. There's a screw over here. And then there's a tab back here you just push when you're about to pull the graphics card out. And that's pretty much all it is. And then you pretty much just reverse the process and for putting the new one back in. So as you can see, it is very simple to pull one of those out. So I shouldn't have any problems putting this in here. The only other thing I have to do though is one of these cords has to be just shoved back down into the bottom until I get a modular supply, and then I can just get rid of it. Because this graphics card, let me turn this over. As you can see, it's an 8-pin. So pretty much these PCI cables are 6, and then they have a little add-on too for an 8. So now I'll put the new one in. Okay, as you can see, everything is in, so I just want to kind of do a test. So pretty much give the computer power, and let's see, make sure everything works alright. The card lit up, so that's a good sign. So I guess now all I have to do is hook everything else back up and make sure it is working properly and the computer recognizes that it's actually in there. Alright, so everything's back together, looks good, it's running good. And I guess before I finish this up, I just also want to say thank you to my sister Sherry and her husband Charles for giving me this GPU, and I will put it to good use. They probably already know that since we play a lot of games together. So other than that, let me go over to Afterburner real quick. So as you can see, it's saying it's in there. I even already overclocked it, which I wasn't able to do with my old GPU. So this was probably one of the easiest things I installed, even lacking a lot of sleep since I've been up since 4 in the morning. Yes, this was definitely a lot less involved in the NVMe. So other than that, I am going to see how many frames I can get out of this while playing games. And I guess that's it. So if you learned anything, drop a like. If you didn't, drop a like anyways. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more content. Probably going to be gameplay for a while. I think the next thing I'm going to get is a new processor. And I don't know. I can't think of anything else. So I guess until the next one, thanks and bye.